Welcome back to Mindful Mindset, Mastering Mental Wellness for a Balanced Life. In today's lesson, we'll delve into the important topic of managing stress and emotions through mindfulness. Before we continue, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stress and emotions are an inevitable part of life, but with mindfulness, we can develop the skills to navigate them more effectively. In this lesson, we'll explore techniques and strategies to help you manage stress and cultivate emotional well-being. Stress can arise from various sources, including work, relationships, and daily life pressures. Mindfulness offers powerful tools to break free from the grip of stress and find greater balance within ourselves. One of the simplest and most effective techniques for managing stress is mindful breathing. Let's practice together. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and close your eyes. Bring your attention to your breath, noticing the sensation of the breath entering and leaving your body. Take slow, deep breaths, focusing on the full inhalation and exhalation. As you breathe out, imagine releasing tension and stress with each breath. Allow your breath to naturally guide you into a state of calm and relaxation. The RAIN technique is a helpful tool for managing difficult emotions. It stands for recognize, accept, investigate, and nurture. Let's break it down. Recognize. Bring awareness to the present moment and acknowledge the presence of the emotion without judgment. Accept. Allow the emotion to be present without resistance or trying to change it. Investigate. Gently inquire into the emotion by exploring the sensations, thoughts, and beliefs associated with it. Nurture. Offer yourself compassion and kindness as you navigate the emotion, reminding yourself that it's a natural part of being human. A mindful pause can help us respond to stressful situations with greater clarity and calmness. Here's how to practice it. When you find yourself in a stressful moment, pause and take a few deep breaths. Notice any tension or stress in your body and allow it to release with each exhale. Bring your attention to the present moment and observe any thoughts or emotions that arise. Respond consciously rather than react impulsively, considering the situation with a calm and collected mindset. Self-compassion is a vital aspect of managing stress and emotions. Let's practice a simple self-compassion exercise. Find a comfortable position and bring your awareness to your heart center. Place your hand over your heart and take a few gentle breaths. Repeat soothing and comforting phrases to yourself, such as, "May I be kind to myself. May I be gentle and understanding." Embrace a sense of warmth and care towards yourself, offering self-compassion in challenging moments. Now, let's experience a guided practice together to manage stress and cultivate emotional well-being. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes if you feel comfortable, and take a few deep breaths. Take a moment to gently bring your awareness back to the room. Notice how you feel after this guided practice. Remember, with continued mindfulness practice, you can develop the skills to manage stress and navigate emotions more effectively. In this lesson, we've explored valuable techniques for managing stress and emotions through mindfulness. By incorporating mindful breathing, the RAIN technique, mindful pauses, and self-compassion practices into our lives, we can cultivate emotional well-being and respond to stress with greater resilience. Thank you for joining me in this lesson. I encourage you to continue practicing these techniques and integrating mindfulness into your daily life. Stay mindful until next time.